A right-angled triangle has a base length of x and a height of 2x plus 10 centimeters. The length of the hypotenuse is 4x minus 3. Find the base length of this triangle. Now to do this, it's best to draw things out. So we have a triangle and we know the hypotenuse is across the right angle. The base length is x and the height is 2x plus 10. So to find the base length, which is x, this is a question mark. You need to find the value of x, and the way to do that is to link up these three lengths, and whenever you have a right angled triangle, you use the Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we have the hypotenuse squared to be equivalent to 2x plus 10 squared plus x squared in this manner. Alright, so we use our products formula, okay, expansion formula, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to, again, a square. This time around is plus 2ab plus b square and then plus x square there. Okay, that's at the end. Alright, so now we expand this, we get 16x square minus 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 9 equals to 4x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 10 is 40, x plus 100 plus x squared. Now you bring all of the terms to the left side. So 16x square minus 4x square minus x square, done. Minus 24x minus 40x, done. Plus 9 minus 100 equals to 0. This is done as well. And this will be 11x square minus 64x minus 91 to be equals to 0. Now what we need is to find the value of x. Alright, so what you can do is try and factorize this first. So alright, so let me just put 11x squared minus 91 minus 64x. Okay, so let me press the calculator for a bit. Minus 64 plus 91. Okay, so 11x and x 7 and 13, negative positive, so positive 13x minus 77x. Indeed, when you add these two up together, you will get negative 64x. So the factorized answer is 11x plus 13, x minus 7 equals to 0. So this is a part you need to just play around a little bit on the factorization. You can use the calculator to give you some hints on this. Use calculator for hints on how you can write the values. Okay, so from here on, 11x plus 13 will be 0, or x minus 7 will be 0. 11x is negative 13, x is negative 13 over 11, or x is 7. This is of course rejected. Why? Because x is a length. So what's the base length? Is x, is just x. So therefore base is 7 centimeter. Final answer for this question.